Do you know how to check the mirrors in a truck? My name is Vitor and I'm gonna show you how to. In the world of trucking, clear vision from your mirrors is a fundamental aspect of safe driving. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to check your truck's mirrors for clear vision, ensuring you have the best possible view of your surroundings on the road. Park your truck in a safe location. Begin with the engine off and the cab securely parked on the level ground. This task is best performed in daylight or in a well-lit area for maximum visibility. Start by cleaning all your mirrors with a suitable glass cleaner and a soft cloth. Ensure the main side mirrors, wide-angle mirrors, and any additional mirrors are free from dirt, grime, and residue. Clear mirrors provide an open view of the road and your surroundings. Adjust the main side mirrors. Sit in the driver's seat and adjust the left mirror so you can just see the edge of your truck on the inner part of the mirror. Repeat for the right side. Properly adjusted side mirrors will minimize blind spots and enhance your field of view. Don't forget the wide-angle mirrors. Adjust these to give you a broader view of the lanes beside you and any obstacles close to your truck. If your truck is equipped with additional mirrors for specific views, adjust these as well to ensure clear coverage of areas like directly in front of the cab or the sides of the trailer. After adjustments, take a moment to check the alignment and clarity again. Good practice involves periodically stepping out of the cab to manually check and touch the mirrors, ensuring they are securely in place and haven't been loosened over time. Thank you for watching. For more safety tips and truck maintenance advice, don't forget to subscribe to Valvoline channel.